Good morning, gang. Hope you're enjoying the show. Today is Monday, May 24th, just 6:17 or so. And here we are here. Just give you a shot how far we've come. It's only a little ways. It'll be, anyhow, a quick couple of shout outs here before I get going is to one of the BGMs down in Vancouver and his gang. Hope everything works out well, bud, and you're back in the works. And to the rest of the gang, here's another acronym for you. Is BGM would be the barbershop gang member. Okay. Now also shout out to my favorite sister, which reminds me, when we go to the circus, we better bring a bunch of cars. And also to the original walker. And he lives with BNN on the island. So I think about the original walker, and I think we're going to call him King Walker. He's 89 years old, and he's been walking for how many decades? So a very special shout out there. Okay, so we're starting to walk, and let's start talking about walking then. When I first started walking, I walked around town. 12 minutes, and that was it. One block, and then another block. And then I did 17 minutes, then up to 25 minutes, and walk around. And then one day, I walked up to the trestle, and then that was my time, so I turned around. So here we are, we're coming up to the first marker, and I would come to this marker and turn around. So I haven't named it right yet, so I didn't think I'd be naming everything, but it's kind of cool. So here we go. We're going for, see how far we get to what have we got? The waterfall coming up. So now, as we're walking here, it's going to start opening up more and more until we see the water, and you're going to see some nice views on the left-hand side. Yeah, wow. I thank head honcho here for the nice day. Whoa, because when we're lucky with the weather, there's no wind so far. So I passed Walker yesterday, and she thinks about head honcho, and she calls him the big guy. So everybody has their own name. So anyhow, we're just gonna keep. And thanks to the new subscribers, a shout out to them. Yeah, so anyhow, we're just going to keep doing what we're doing. We're having some fun. And hopefully you're seeing this scenery here. As the South Okanagan, it's been the #1 place to travel in Canada this year, for 2021. Oh! There we go. Can you hear the waterfall? Hey gang, I guess that's the end of this clip. Have a great day. Peace. Picture Man out.